Whether it's used around the home for general or recreational projects, or perhaps on-the-go maintenance and emergencies, a hose reel can provide a quick solution. This SIPS 360 presents the DP5000 series air or water dual pedestal hose reel from Reelcraft Industries. Offering a pressure rating of 300 psi, it's designed with precision and built for efficiency. The compact design and vibration-resistant nature of the Reelcraft DP5000 series makes it a perfect solution for tight spaces and various truck-mounted applications. To suit your specific needs, the guide can be moved to 7 different mounting positions. Constructed of heavy-duty steel, the guide arm and dual pedestal base are stamped with ribs and gussets to ensure maximum strength and the lightest possible weight. The internal fluid path is also steel and made with Buna seals. These are high-quality synthetic rubber O-rings that create a tight, leak-proof seal, making this hose reel able to withstand extreme temperatures, high pressure, and corrosive substances. This lightweight reel is designed with a copper swivel to keep your hose tangle-free. With its dual pedestal construction, you'll experience unbeatable stability. Thanks to the corrosion-resistant powder coat finish, it stands strong against rust. Featuring a torsion-style latch, the Reelcraft DP5000 series outlasts traditional designs, giving you durability you can count on. Plus, the 4-way directional roller guide prevents abrasion on the hose when pulled at different angles, while the built-in bumper stop absorbs the impact of quick retraction. With a 50-foot hose length and multiple hose diameters available, you can customize it to whatever industry you're working in. Choose from a hose diameter of 1/4 inch by 50 feet long, weighing 37 pounds, or a 3/8 inch hose by 50 feet long, weighing 44 pounds. Whether it's filling up a tire or operating a vast array of pneumatic tools, being able to deliver air or water where you need is important. From basic to more demanding tasks, this reel is ready to help you maximize your equipment and time, because Reelcraft is ready when you are. Find this air-water dual pedestal hose reel and more Reelcraft products by shopping hoses and reels on zips.com.